Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, MCRT and Ethereum. The merge is coming soon. I'll also look at the market caps of all cryptocurrency and the stock market to see if we've got bullish momentum back in the markets. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash that thumbs up button, and let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Magicraft hitting 110,000 followers yesterday, which is beautiful. So now we're looking at the charts for Bitcoin, 21,600. Very nice. Let's turn off. I need to turn off Wi-Fi. Okay, go back. Bitcoin, 21,609. We're still in that descending red line. That was the top in November 11th. I called the day of the top up here. And now we've been trending down. And it looks like we're about to come and break the bottom here. Let's see if Bitcoin can do it. We're so close. Look at that. Oh, we're very close. And if you took that trade a few days ago, big congratulations. To get above, it could break out between the 15th to the 19th of September. That's the key point where we can actually break through. On the daily, we're very overbought now. On the weekly, extremely oversold. Monthly, oversold and just turning up. Daily, overbought. 4 hourly, overbought. Hourly, overbought. Now, does that mean that the run is finished? No. The Bitcoin indicator bot called it perfectly off this bottom here. On the day, look at this. It called buy perfectly. The Bitcoin indicator bot you get in the master course. Still looking strong. On the 4 hourly, it is overbought. Is there any big pattern? It is making it. I expect that we get a rejection here. Big congratulations if you took that trade because you're already in the profits. I think we could get a little bit of this trade massively in the profits. Big congratulations to all of you. We actually took it from down here, so you're huge already in the profits. Then it was updated. Now we are forming a big cup here. Most likely we get rejected off this resistance, come down to here, form a big cup and handle, and then we can move up massively. So what I think is going to happen, I'm going to draw the path that I think that is going to happen for Bitcoin. First, I'll measure it. I think Bitcoin is going to do something like this and break through that massive red downtrend line. So I think the path most likely will be this path. So getting rejected here, coming down to this support, bouncing off, coming here, big rejection here, and then breaking through, which will be beautiful. And that breakthrough will take us to around 24,000 for Bitcoin. This is a path, but we really need to break this downtrend line, this red one, between the 15th to the 20th of September. It needs to break that 21,000 here, $22,000 area. That's the line that we need to break through. We are still, it's making higher lows as well. Bitcoin made higher lows here. Now, where would I take a trade now? I would, on the hourly, first I would expect that it comes down, so a small short-term trade, but I wouldn't short it too much. But here, which will be 3.42% profits on a short with 10x leverage, will be 34% profits, and then taking a long from that point on here. I would open a long here, stop loss just beneath these supports, so I'd open it on that support, stop loss just beneath that support, and the take profit at the top of this movement, which would be taking us to 24,000. That gives us a 27 risk to reward ratio. I'd make the trade open here and the stop loss just beneath here. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin after it comes down. Opening the trade at 20,931, stop loss 20,700, take profit 24,000, risking $219 to make $3,150 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $31,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Over on Bybit. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can trade on Bybit. Underneath the video, in the description of the video down below, you can sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Now let's check out Ethereum. MCRT holding quite steadily. Ethereum checking out 1,767. Massive pump in Ethereum. Big congratulations if you took that long on Ethereum. You now hit that take profit. It's very close to the take profit. I would take profits here. But we broke that big downtrend line, the red one for Ethereum. Look at that. We broke through. That downtrend line started also November 11th. And now we are through that let's see. No, the downtrend line for Ethereum to get through is here, 1,938. But we already formed a large cup and handle here on Ethereum. That's already a big one in the longer term time frame. So Ethereum could be going here with this merge. Usually it's buy the rumor, sell before the news though. But if it does play out, 2,500 could be going into the merge on September 15th. 2,500 is the target. On the daily, we're overbought. On the weekly, again, heading up. 4 hourly overbought. Hourly, slightly overbought as well. Looks like a big kind of inverse head and shoulders here as well. A large inverse head and shoulders that will take us this distance. So Ethereum has some, the target I would actually take for Ethereum is that red line going into the merge. So I'd take the trade like this, stop loss there, just underneath this support, and take profit that red resistance line, 2.77 ratio, risking $86 to make $240. With 10x leverage, $2,400. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Now let's look at the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. We're through that resistance. We're back inside this kind of rising broadening wedge. Oversold on the weekly, oversold on the monthly, on the daily heading up, quite overbought already. We're at a point of resistance here. On the 4 hourly, I think a slight rejection, creating an inverse head and shoulders as well, and then heading up for the total crypto market caps. Next big resistance would be, we hit that first one, my target already. Big congratulations, everyone that followed those videos. I actually, look at that, it exactly hit that 1.3 trillion. I talked about it a few days ago and we played out perfectly. Next big resistance, 1.1 trillion. It looks bullish in a way on the hourly. Slight pullback, but I think we're going to do this to the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies and move up to 1.1 trillion, which is beautiful. All my audience, you have to do your own due diligence, but pay attention to MCRT. Currently pulling back a little bit the last few days. It's at 1 cent, 1.2 cents, ranked 629, Certic ordered, $18.8 million market cap, volume 550,000, and it has pulled back the last week, or about stayed even for the last week. But on the longer term time frames, in the last 2 months, it's still up 800%. Pay attention to MCRT. Once Bitcoin stabilizes and the market goes bullish, I expect big things to be happening to MCRT. We're joining a lot of big exchanges. We're releasing the closed beta. Pay attention to MCRT. You can get it on a few different exchanges. The exchanges are down below. You have to do your own due diligence. But in the description, PancakeSwap is one of the main ones. BitGet, Bitmart, MEXC. That's where you can get MCRT. I'm the founder of this project. Yesterday we hit 109,000 followers on Twitter. You can see the gameplay footage for PC and for mobile. And the closed beta is already happening. This is what the tournament screen is going to look like. You're going to get rewards for completing tasks. You'll be able to create lobbies. So this is the big tournaments that will happen every day, every week, and a portion of that will go back to be buying back the token in the smart contract. But you'll be able to create your own games and put MCRT for plays. So people will have to pay that MCRT to join, and then the winner will take the total amount, which is going to be epic. We were 24 hours the most traded token on PancakeSwap, one of the top ones. Ahead of us was Yushi, Alpaca Finance, Spooky Swap, Open Ocean, and Magicraft. We were one of the top ones, which is beautiful. Magicraft, these are some of the characters. This is our team testing the closed beta.
Let's go.
Well, you guys have all been, how long has everyone been playing? Be honest, how much have you played? Well,
guys, we need to push the ball.
Holy shit,
Everyone,
guys,
push the ball.
And MCRT is a play-to-earn game, and the market is massive, around a $300 billion market per year. And the gaming industry, play-to-earn games is revolutionary. It's the merger of two big industries: gaming, which is a $300 billion a year industry, with 3 billion players playing it, and crypto. And the merger of these two industries are going to create rocket ships, and the play-to-earn space is something very important to pay attention to. If you're my audience, do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but look into MCRT, pay attention to it. If we hit our targets, in a big bull market, it can go crazy, but if we hit our targets, potentially 75 times X. But do your own due diligence, everyone. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum, Solana. Our team is just, at the moment, a lot of my time is in meetings and focusing on Magicraft, MCRT. We're building something epic. We're going on a lot of the big exchanges. We listed on Gate, we listed on BitGet, we're on MEXC, Bitmart, but we're just getting started. And if a bull market does start up again, I expect massive things. But anyway, our goal, we built during the bear market. We're up almost 9 times since the bottom of the bear market, 900%. That's the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $220,000, $200,000. But we're just getting started. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.